Hi everyone, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a lovely day. Today will be my first Halloween look of 2024. I hope you and guys enjoyed me doing my pumpkin look last week. Today's look we are going to be creating is a carnival clown look. As always, I did my foundation off camera in one eye so you can see what we are doing, and we are going to be doing the detail of my eye together. The first thing I am taking is my Rimmel Maxi blush, and I'm going to be dabbing this on my face and leaving it like that because we are creating a clown look. When you look at a lot of clown pictures, you can definitely see that a clown has more of a obvious rosier cheeks, so we are going to be creating that today with the powder. This next step I don't normally do when I am doing my eyes, so I'm taking a Graph Black eye pencil from MAC and I'm going to be using this to trace it along my lash line. If you want a more budget friendly one, a great one that I can recommend to you guys is the one by Maybelline. So I am just tracing that along my top and bottom lash line to smoke it out, and then I'm going to be going in with a smudging brush just to smoke it out and make it appear softer. If you want it to be more softer than that, you can definitely go back in with the smudging brush later on. I'm just doing this on the outer part of my eye, and once we have done that, we are ready to go on with the eyeshadow. To create the eyeshadow, we are going to be taking my Morphe Madison Beer Channel Surfing palette, and I'm going to be taking 2 shades of brown on a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be applying this through my crease. The look we are going for today is more of a red tone one, but if you wanted to keep it more neutral and more of like a bronzy colour, then you can definitely leave it as it is. I love this brush because it covers a large area of eye quickly if you were just wanting to look for something that you could just chuck on quickly. I'm now going to take this middle shade. It is a little bit more purple tone, however, but I am going to be putting this through my crease as well before going in with the burgundy to make it more red toned. And then back in with a little smudger brush to smoke out the liner a little bit more. Using my Benefit roller liner, I am using this underneath my eye. I have traced this along my lash line to set the Graph Black pencil, and I'm going to be using that to illustrate tears before using the same liner pen to draw the clown's triangles that you typically see. I love the point of this so much because you can colour it in quite easily, and that way you can use the point to get your precise lines and then use the flat side to colour in the area quickly. And once we have done that, we are going to be using that to colour in the line, and we are going to just go along the waterline just to set everything into place. Most of this look is nearly done. The only thing we need to do now is go in with a mascara and a lip. I don't normally do a clown look, but I thought I would wait until this Halloween to do it because it is different from the traditional pumpkin or witch look. Now that everything's nearly complete, I have coated my lashes with my favourite mascara. This is the Soap & Glory Thick and Fast that you've seen countless times on my channel. For lips, I am going to be using a Kiko lip liner to draw around my lips, and I'm also going to be doing a clown smile, which is very resembling to my Joker look that I did in 2022. If you would like to watch that again in more depth, I will link that in the description box below. I thought I would bring that back again because it is very resembling to the Joker 2 movie that has just come out, so at least you get to see another clown look, which is a lot of fun. And to finish off, I'm going to be taking my Rimmel lipstick in the colour Coffee Shimmer just to fill in my lips and give it a high shine. And there you go, that is my full makeup look complete. I hope you guys enjoyed me putting together this look for Halloween. Check back on Wednesday for my next video.